Hello, good evening. Good evening, Mai. Is that you? Hello, Mai. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello, Mai. Can you hear me? Hello, Mai. Can you hear me? Hello, Mai. Are you there? Hello, Mai. Are you there? Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, hello, Sarah. Finally, you're in. I don't know what's wrong with Mai, but she entered. What's that? She entered earlier, but she's still not responding up until now. I think she's not around. She just joined virtually, but not physically there in where she is. Yeah, anyway, how are you, Sarah?
I'm happy.
Wow, well, that's great. Did somebody call you that I'm already waiting?
Yes, my mom. I go home late
Ah, what did you do?
because I was in my old house. My mom have a problem.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear about that one. Is it something serious
Yes,
or just
because
a minor
my
problem?
mine a problem because my brother can't went into his room. Uh, went into his classroom.
Oh, I see. Anyway, what did you do
Hello,
today?
teacher.
Yes, Mai, what's wrong with you earlier?
Oh no, I can't hear you.
Ah, that is why. I keep on telling you, hello, Mai, are you there? Can you hear me? But you
I said,
don't.
hello, teacher.
uh,
Hello, what, teacher?
So there's something wrong with your microphone. Anyway, well, that's great because you both are in now. Okay, without further ado, since we only have 15 minutes more, let's get started immediately with our lesson. So, Sarah and Mai, if you remember, we learned about present simple and present continuous. So look,
Chưa.
here
Chú cha kêu
are
gì kìa?
some of the phrases
Cha
that
ơi,
we
kêu gì
use
cha?
for present continuous and present simple. Okay, so here I want you to use 6 sentences about you. Write 6 sentences about you. Use the time words and phrases in exercise 3. For example, right now, I'm having an English lesson. Later, I will go to bed and wash my face. Tomorrow in the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock, like that. Okay, so I want you to write your answer in the chat box. Do you understand Mai and Sarah?
Yes. Don't understand.
Oh, do you understand Sarah?
I don't understand.
You don't? All right. So if you remember last Tuesday, Sarah, we
Present
learned
continuous.
these time phrases.
Present continuous.
Okay. So look, the phrase at the moment is in present continuous. Now, the word never, sometimes, and always is in present simple. For every day, look, every day, every week, or every year, that is in present, oh,
Present
present
continuous.
simple. This month,
Simple.
this term, or week, that is in present continuous. Later, tomorrow, tonight, that is in
Present
present
simple.
continuous.
Yes.
Okay, on Saturdays and weekends, that is in present
Present
simple.
simple.
Then lastly, next week, next weekend, next month, that is in present continuous. So your task now is to write at least 3 sentences about you using any of these phrases here.
Yes.
Okay? Do you understand now, Sarah? Okay, now, Mai, if you understand, you can start now with your sentences. Write them
Yeah.
and send it to me in the chat box. I will give you 2 minutes to do this. Is that okay, Sarah and Mai? So
Yeah.
timer starts now.
Present continuous sentence.
Yes, that is about yourself. One minute left.
Ha. I have already.
Oh, you're done already. Okay, can you share your answer, Sarah?
Tomorrow I will have a new necklace.
Very good. What else?
Mm, I will go to Thailand this month.
Nice. One more sentence.
I brush my teeth every day. Oh, no, no,
Very
no.
good.
No, no,
Mm-hmm.
no. um, Next week I will go to the park.
Very good, Sarah. Okay, now your turn, Mai. It's already time. Your turn, Mai. Share 3 sentences using
Okay.
Any of these phrases here, that is about yourself. You can do it, Mai.
I am I am running in it at the moment.
Very good.
I I I I go to the I also do homework in
Nice.
the evenings. Um, I I take a shower every day.
Yes, so very good. So yes, you know how to use present simple and present continuous. Now I want you to look at task 5. Okay, read the information about the verbs. You check the meaning of the verbs that you don't know. So look at this one. Okay, here are some verbs that we don't use in continuous forms. We have here believe, hate, know, like, love, mean, need, own, prefer, understand, want. Okay, these verbs are called stative verbs. They actually state what that person mean. Okay, now look. We don't say, oh, look at this one. We say, I don't understand this question. This is right. We don't say, I'm not understanding this question. This is very wrong. So look, take note of these verbs that we don't use in present continuous. Okay, Sarah and Mai?
Yeah.
Very good. So any question about stative verbs? Any question?
No.
What about you, Mai? Do you have question, Mai?
Yeah.
What is your no question? Okay, now let's look at this one. I want you to read. Oh, no, this exercise 6. Complete the sentences with the positive or negative form of the verbs in exercise 5. Sometimes more than one answer is possible. So look, I want you to take note of this one because here are the choices. I'm going to send to you the choices in the chat box. Okay, here it is. Oh, can you see? Oh, I can't actually take a picture of it. Let me see. Oh, it's here. All right, look at the chat box. I actually sent you something. Choose your answers from the picture that I sent to you. All you have to do is to complete the sentences with positive or negative. So look, there's one example. My uncle owns 3 cars. Okay, that is a positive sentence. You can also say, my uncle doesn't own 3 cars. Either negative or positive. Do you understand, Mais and Sarah? Okay, now your turn, Mai. What is your answer in number 1?
Is is very friendly. Very okay. Like her.
Very good. We really like her. Now your turn, Sarah. What's your answer in number 2?
Um, Um, I know how old is she? She looked about 14.
That is right. Your turn, Mai.
Um, what is, oh no, no one, one.
Yes, Mai, what is your answer here?
What is this work?
What is this word? All right. So the answer here is what does this word mean? Okay, try again, Mai, with number 4.
What is this work mean?
What about number 4, Mai? Your turn again.
I am feeling miserable today. I am cold weather.
Try again. There's no am from the choices.
I I have cold weather.
You have cold
Have,
weather.
have.
Okay, what about you, Sarah? What's your answer in number 4?
I'm feeling miserable today. I hate cold weather.
That is right. I hate cold weather. Okay, now your turn again, Mai, in number 5.
You are speaking too quickly. And I
And
I don't listen you.
there's no listen here, Mai. Look at the chat box, Mai. Look at the message that I sent. There's no listen. We have believe, hate, know, like, love, mean, need, own, prefer, understand, and want. So what's the answer here? What about you, Sarah? Do you have answer?
Mm, I'm hearing you are speaking too quickly. Um, I wait. Um, wait. And I mean you.
Try again.
And I
You say, and I don't.
understand.
That is right. And I don't
I don't
understand you.
understand you. My God.
All right. So for this one, you got 4 out of 5. So not bad actually. Okay, so for tonight, we learned about stative verbs and a little review with present simple and present continuous. Okay, so anyway, it's already time, Mai and Sarah. Again, I won't get tired to tell you, to always remind you every session to join in our class on time. Because you know what? Even though that you're late, I am getting paid 100% So, of course, if you are free already and you don't have any matters to attend to, join the class on time. Okay, Mai and Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, don't forget to set your alarm clock next week at 8:30 in the evening. Goodbye, Mai and Sarah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.